ID form anatomical pads are suitable for people with moderate to heavy incontinence. They are available in different lengths and absorptions. These pads work best when combined with a support slip or ID care fixation pants. This helps keep the protection properly in place. To ensure patient comfort and safety, it is important that this product is positioned correctly. To remove a pad that has been used, first, gently place the patient on their side and lift their upper leg if possible and comfortable to do so. Pull the support pants down to one side. If you are alone, you can and hold them in place with the patient's knee. Remove the protection by lowering it and pinching it in the front. Then hold the main protection channel area and pull it gently through the patient's legs. Finally, discard it into a pre-prepared disposal bag. Prepare to fit a fresh new product. Unfold the product and shape it into a channel across the entire length. This allows the anti-leak barriers to be activated and gives the desired shape for an effective application of the product. Gently pull the product by holding it at each end. The anti-leak barrier cuffs should be activated to limit the risk of leakage. Slide the protection between the patient's legs by keeping the product folded lengthwise. Adjust the front-rear distribution of the product to balance the position of the pad. The positioning of the pad should be different based on the gender of the patient. The pad should be higher at the back for a woman and just covering the pubic bone area at the front. For a man, the position at the front will need to be higher. To increase the capacity for catching all urine, hold the gutter area of the product between the patient's legs. Unfold the product and then flatten it across the patient's buttocks. Fan out and place the elastics under the gluteal folds. This will ensure the patient's comfort and security. Make sure the product is centered in line with the spine, using the wetness indicator lines as a guide. Roll up the supporting pants so they are covering the patient's buttocks. Also, make sure not to pull the pants too high, or this can cause discomfort, and it can misalign the position of the pad, making it less effective. Gently revert the patient onto their back. Adjust the front of the protection by flattening it without pulling. Make sure that the skin from the inner thigh area is outside the protection to avoid any risk of leakage or discomfort to the patient when securing the position. If necessary, adjust the pants at the thighs by pulling it down slightly. This will ensure optimum comfort for the patient.